All right, it's Monday morning, the day after Sunday, when we got the first start on this bike, and it started right away. It was a wonderful start, kicked it a few times, fired right up for Kevin, let it sit, I came back, I kicked it over, fired right up for me. So this is a cold overnight start, and we've just done a good tickle, and Kevin is now going to stroke upon the bike to see if it keeps starting reasonably well. And you get to watch. One kicky wicky. Miserable. Whoa! The front leg real tight when you put it in gear. Keep the idle cruise low. Okay. Keep it revved up when you put it in first gear. And he's off like a screaming herd of turtles. Okay. Anybody want to buy a really nice RV? That's for sale, $80,000. Beautiful, beautiful RV. Okay. Here he comes. I love the sound of a thumper. Idling. Still gonna go by. What's he doing? Okay, fine. Doesn't normally do that. Now he's got a car down there to contend with. Nice U-turn. Much smoother than I could do. He's an all-round better rider than I am. Of course, he used to teach riding, so that's a big advantage.
I got no front brake.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
No front?
That's why I kept going past. I thought, it ain't stopping.
I'll be darned, no front brake. Okay. Well, good news about the front brake. We haven't touched it.
Yeah.
So.
And the clutch
is dragging?
Doesn't release completely. It drags.
Clutch is dragging.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, now before you go in, other than that, okay, we got clutch dragging and no front brake. How did
It shifted smoothly, accelerated well. I mean, it's a 441, so
Right.
it's not a comfortable ride.
Yeah.
You know, But no, everything else, you know, so it's the brake and just the clutch slight adjustments, so we should be fine.
Okay, so when you're pulling the brake, let me see that. Oh, we can't do it. All right, it's
Yeah, my foot's on the rear brake.
okay.
Yeah, but see if I let go.
Yeah, even you've got it all the way in.
Yeah.
Okay, now if we do this, let it out. Let you hold the brake. So do we have? No, we don't have any slack there at all. Okay, we will look at the front brake and we will look in the primer and see what's happening in there. All right, so now we've done a test ride on the bike. I'm going to set it aside and we'll watch it overnight because we're tied up today. And I just want to see if it has any oil leaks. It seems to be pretty tight. So we're going to set it over there where it normally sits and get back to it maybe in the next day or so. So, interesting. All right. All right, postscript to that test ride. Bottom line is, we could refer to it as a failed test ride, but frankly, a test ride is intended to find what could be termed failures. So now that we've test ridden the bike, we know for a fact that the front brake is fading and really mushy. So we're going to take the front wheel apart. And the clutch was dragging. We did put new clutch plates in this guy. So we'll pop open the primary, take a look and see what's happening in there and see if we can't figure out why it's dragging. So a failed test ride is actually a successful test ride because test rides, the intent of testing is to find any failures. So that sort of makes sense. So anyway, we're going to call this a failure, but we have things to look at, and that's the purpose of testing.